Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of corn. Get ready to embark on a journey through the golden fields of corn as we unravel the many health benefits of this beloved grain. From its rich nutrient profile to its potential to support digestive health, corn is a versatile ingredient that deserves the spotlight. Let's pop the corn and unlock its fantastic health secrets. First and foremost, corn is naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, making it heart-healthy from the start. These qualities can help in reducing the risk of heart diseases by managing cholesterol levels and maintaining overall heart health. Corn is a great source of insoluble fiber. Fiber helps in reducing cholesterol levels by carrying away LDL cholesterol from the arteries, keeping them clear and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. The presence of folate in corn is also a bonus for your heart. Folate helps in breaking down homocysteine, an amino acid that at high levels can be a risk factor for heart disease. Corn is also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy blood pressure is a key aspect of heart health and can reduce the risk of stroke and coronary artery disease. Need a fuel up? Corn is here to power you up. It's a fantastic source of carbohydrates, which are the body's preferred energy source. Carbs provide glucose, the primary fuel for your brain and muscles, keeping you energized throughout the day. Corn contains complex carbohydrates, meaning the energy release is gradual and sustained. This prevents rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, providing a steady stream of energy. What's more, are you looking to maintain a healthy weight? Corn is relatively low in calories and fat, making it a satisfying yet nutritious choice for those watching their weight. A 1-cup serving of corn can keep you feeling full without loading you up on calories. The fiber content in corn is a weight management hero. Fiber provides a feeling of fullness, reducing overall food consumption and curbing those between-meal cravings. When you munch on corn, you engage your senses, making the whole eating experience more enjoyable and satiating. Let's talk about blood sugar control and how corn can be a valuable addition to your diet for managing those glucose levels. Corn is a complex carbohydrate, meaning it's digested and absorbed slowly. This gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, offering stable energy without causing rapid crashes. The fiber content in corn further supports blood sugar management. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and aids in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Corn's glycemic index is relatively moderate, making it a suitable choice for individuals looking to control blood sugar. Foods with a lower GI can help regulate glucose levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. However, portion control and the way you prepare corn can influence its impact on blood sugar. Opt for whole corn instead of processed corn products, and avoid excessive use of added sugars or unhealthy fats in your corn dishes. But wait, there is more. Corn is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and lutein. These antioxidants help fight free radicals in your body, preventing premature aging and supporting youthful, vibrant skin. Vitamin C in corn is essential for collagen production, a protein that maintains skin's elasticity and suppleness. This can aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Corn contains beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a key player in skin health. Vitamin A supports cell turnover, keeping your skin fresh and rejuvenated. Cornstarch, derived from corn, can also be used in skincare. It acts as a soothing agent for skin irritation and can help absorb excess oil, making it an excellent natural ingredient for face masks or skincare routines. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Additionally, anemia often results from a deficiency in iron and certain B vitamins, like folate, B9. Corn contains both of these essential nutrients, making it a valuable addition to your diet for preventing and managing anemia. Iron is a crucial component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Insufficient iron can lead to anemia, resulting in fatigue and weakness. Including iron-rich foods like corn can help boost your iron levels and prevent anemia. Folate is necessary for the production and maturation of red blood cells. A deficiency can lead to a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia. Corn, being a source of folate, can contribute to maintaining healthy levels and reducing the risk of this condition. To enhance iron absorption, pair corn with vitamin C-rich foods, as vitamin C helps the body absorb non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. Lastly, corn's fiber content supports a healthy digestive tract and can prevent constipation. There you have it, folks. From a healthy heart to glowing skin, corn is a golden treasure for your well-being. Let's embrace this golden gift for a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.